Hi Island Tribe!
Welcome back to another video.
Wagwan everybody!
Yeah man.
I hope you're all good wherever you are in the world and you know, enjoying this beautiful day that we have on our hands.
Most definitely.
Today we are going to fish.
Yeah.
As you can see, no Bobo.
No
Bobo's not here, but he's well looked after.
Yeah.
He's been looked after, so me and Babe decided to have a fishing day.
Yeah, we come out to fish, you know, so we skip all the road trip with us. Decide we have vlog when we reach at the destination, so we're here now.
We're here.
Yeah, and it looks beautiful on the way coming. Everywhere of the edges of the beaches, like loads of people, so people are out today, you see.
Yeah.
And right where we're at is like a big sandy area, so yeah, it's
You can't really see much now when I turn the camera.
Yeah.
But I said to Babe a second ago, I thought we were back in Jamaica. There's a bunch of guys there that are, I think they're from PNG, Papua New Guinea or Vanuatu. But
Islanders.
they're islanders, Pacific Islanders. But yeah, and I was like, whoa, this is the right spot then.
Yeah, after see me a while ago, they yelled me up in a car, so you know.
Yeah, they did, they held him up. But guys, join us on this beautiful day and we can't wait to get some fish.
Definitely.
All right.
So
it's a vibe. Stay tuned.
We on a roll now.
Let's go now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger, I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi.
Bless up, bro. Alright, guys, so this is the area we're at right now. Beautiful spot. Yeah.
Beautiful guy.
Yeah. No dogs. Dogs are not permitted on this reserve beach at any time. Really? Okay. I wonder why. Yeah.
Good, you're gonna have to cross the river.
Yeah, let's go. Is it a river?
Oh, I don't know, it's really warm. Well,
it's warm right here.
Really warm.
Very warm.
And of course, I've got to enjoy my little cider.
What's it called? Recorder League.
Recorder League. Passion fruit. If anyone knows of this drink, if not, I recommend you drink it, women. It's a nice ladies' drink. It's only just one little one, just to enjoy the day off and the vibe.
Sure. Yeah. So you say you have fished here before?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, it's a beautiful sandy area, like a sandbank, you know? But you can tell when tide get high, it goes all the way up there. Because look right here, you can tell that water covers here.
Yep. It's good for kids, this area too. So little babies like Bobo can swim here and enjoy.
True.
Not have to worry about getting hurt.
We're in the hot today, you know? Pick up some of the sun.
Yeah, because I couldn't find our sunscreen this morning. So here we are, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Babe's doing his rods. And I want to say welcome to Maria's Fishing Challenge. So here we are.
I am using lure, Baby's using live bait. Well, not live bait, but bait.
Bait.
Yeah. Fish bait.
Watch and learn. So make sure that when you're gonna throw it in, guys, you have that hook nice and around that fish.
see what Mamacita up to now.
Wash your hands, guys.
Huh?
Alright guys, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. I'm not going to throw it in too far because it's very shallow anyway.
Yeah. I'm gonna try out the lure.
Alright guys, you can see here the fish, they're around, they're jumping. Yep. Babe's getting his reel ready. Island may be coming soon. Yes, you can have a little swim here. It's beautiful here guys. Another man down there fishing. Then there's a few others up here. I got a bite. It stole my bait. Yeah. Can tell the tide's coming in. These guys are funny.
Some nice fish out there, guys. Be a show off them out there, show off. Ooh, nothing. Fish them mangy, guys. So the tide's coming in really fast, guys. Just like 2 minutes to leave yesterday a while ago. And we come back and now look at it. Everything's in water.
Nothing. Laughing at myself. I'm getting bites, but they're not coming. I'll try the lure. Have a chance at the lure. Wish we had snorkeling gear. Woo! I'm trying to do the lure, guys, so here we go. Yo! Yeah, babes. Wow. I'm thinking it's rising high. Look at that. Ooh, and there's bloody little midges. Babe, get that box. I'm gonna start bites.
Guys, look how fast the tide is rising. Like, it's coming in super fast. Guys, this is the year that we just walked a while ago. Look at it now. Hot water. Tide rise. So we had no luck there.
No,
No luck.
that was showing off on us.
Yeah, fish them a jump straight. Be a show off thing. So yeah, we are go somewhere else. And we might pick up island as well to see it. So yeah, let's see what happens next. Hey guys, you Is this supposed to be like a house or something?
Yeah, people live there. Or Airbnb, I don't know.
Okay.
There are a lot of places here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so here's my little bobo. Our
Yeah.
little bobo, I should say. He, we just came back.
Pick him up.
Yeah, picked him up, and we kind of gave up on the fishing still.
Yeah, so we come to this.
We miss Bobo too much, so
Yeah.
we just wanted to come and get him.
Yeah.
So,
Say hi,
yeah.
Bobo.
Bobo, hi.
Hi. Smile.
Smile. Give a big smile.
Yeah.
And he got a pair of glasses.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Nice
Wait,
sunnies.
hang on.
Protect his eyes.
Protect these eyeballs. Wait. Wait. Babe, I can't do it.
You.
All right.
You bad.
Smile.
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 Bobo. Hey. Hey guys, so
Yeah.
this is a lake, right?
Yeah. Tea Tree Lake Answorth.
Yeah.
Lake Answorth. That's
Yeah, and I want to show you guys the water.
so cute.
Look at the color of the water. Like really dark, red, look orange kind of color. And you're saying it's from the trees.
Yeah, tea tree.
Yeah, from these trees, right? Is it these trees?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's what gives
You
the
can go for a little walk. And
the
then
lake this color.
There's a like a billboard and it actually says like history about what this actually lake does.
Okay. So it's very good for certain
Skin,
things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
skin.
Okay. So yeah, look at the water. That's the color it has. And there's a few people out and thing, you know. Alright guys, so gonna take a dip in the water, you know. It's different from where we were at earlier. You know, it's a bit more warm. I mean it's a bit more cold. What am I saying? I mean our last words. Oh my god. So Babe, it's so scary and I didn't know it was that dark. Yeah. Whoa. Guys, I take a dip a while ago and I didn't know that it was really that dark. I swear I got scared, I swear. Oh my god. It's like I'm actually swimming in a thick cloud of darkness, like literally. Oh my god.
Island. Look at that. Hi to the people. Hi. Smiling. Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. Yeah.
So guys, we're now leaving this place.
Yeah.
The weather change.
Weather changed. Big
Yeah.
time.
So we're heading home. You know, even though it wasn't, even though we didn't catch any fish today, we enjoyed ourselves, you know, like, we didn't even vlog as much, guys. We just decided to just, you know, enjoy ourselves.
Enjoy our time.
Yeah, so, yeah. So that's what's up, you know. So I don't know if I'll have I don't know if I'll add more clips to this, but if not, thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Yeah man, and make sure to give it a like, subscribe if you're new, you see it, and comment down below, you see it, let us know what go on. Yeah man, so until then, blessings. Yeah man.
There's gonna be a rainbow shortly. There'll be a rainbow shortly.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm trying. I'm just exploring it. Beautiful rainbow we have here, guys. So beautiful. So guys, welcome back Island Tribe.
Hi Island Tribe.
Welcome to a new video scene. Alright guys, so this is Halloween in Australia, you know, and we're not celebrating Halloween. We're just out.
Not this year, maybe next year, we'll see.
Yeah, so we're just out. So we're going to somewhere so we can see people trick-or-treating, right?
Yeah. We just see them like walking the streets and trick-or-treating and things.
Yeah, we just pass a few people, like, yeah, them look scary people, you know? For the people that never really, you know, see them thing here. Yeah, I swear. People really dress up them way with all the makeup and all them thing there, cha-cha. But yeah man, it's late evening right now, time about to get dark still, you see, but hopefully we can get to see a few people and show you guys, you see it.
Hopefully.
So, yeah, so
fingers crossed.
this is Halloween in Australia, you see it. Yeah man. Alright. Heaps of people that way, guys. Heaps of kids, I should say. Right.
We want to bring out candy.
Oh.
So we can say,
Yeah. Halloween party going on here, guys. Yay! Yeah, they just will. Hey, guys.
I look like I'm doing Halloween today. I completely finished work, tired as hell.
Oh my
And my
God.
hair's a mess, my clothes are just whatever.
Yeah,
I'm not getting out anyway.
for real.
If anybody's gonna get out, it's gonna be Babe.
I'm not getting out. We
Yeah,
never
you
planned
are.
for this.
You're dressed.
We planned for
I'm
drive
dressed.
and look. They say my foot there white. Now they will lotion at the bad them.
That's alright, they're gonna say, oh shit, walking ghost.
Oh my God. It's like I'm already dressed for Halloween then.
Real though. Look, where's Wally in that car? You remember where's Wally, guys?
If I was gonna do Halloween, that lion mask, that would have be me, you know? Yeah, man.
Because a lot of kids get into it, but they don't really Halloween around our area specifically.
Yeah.
They come out to these areas. They're quite smart. The parents of the children are smart. They say, oh, let's go to...
Is that them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh God.
So
Let's go to the Ritchie area where, because you know,
yeah.
majority of the people that live in the nicer houses or the bigger area is basically people that
let's rub it the audio.
Call it? Yeah, it's hard for the audio.
Yeah.
Have more candy.
Yeah.
So yeah, the rich people have the chocolate and the candy apparently.
Yeah. So tell me something. Halloween is basically you dress up in all your costume, right?
Yeah.
And you go up and you go in the neighborhoods.
Yeah.
Why? You go with an empty bag and just knock on people's door?
I'd say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween, trick or treat. Yeah. Trick or treat. So I don't know what the trick means, but I don't know what the trick means.
So the treat.
The Americans know what the trick means. Treat means treat, like
the
sugar.
candies. Okay.
Lollies.
Yeah.
Trick. I don't know if you have to do a trick.
Oh, possibly.
I don't know. Anyway, you guys can tell us.
Yeah. Because I know nothing about Halloween, so let us know in the comment section. But I mean, lots of people, you know, don't celebrate this thing too, because you know they believe it's very evil and all that. You see me? But yeah, me no freedom thing that too deep, or you know, so kind of have an open mind to a lot of things. You see it, but you don't know. We're not pre the darkness side of things of life. You see it, but just have an open mind and just know say oh, it's fun we're doing it for, you know. So that's why I see it. But yeah.
That's right. Just for fun.
Yeah, just for fun.
Nothing too.
Nothing. But I didn't know cold past that thing around here, isn't it?
No.
So yeah, that's how we see it.
Yeah, no way.
Yeah, man.
We get candy.
There you get candy. Quick, get your thing. Get your
Hey.
thing. Quick, quick, quick.
Oh, you give candy
Oh
too?
no, we don't want candy. Oh my God, no, you take your candy.
Oh
Oh
my
no.
God.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
Thank you, girls. Bye. I like your house. So nice.
Oh.
You see the other girls if you give them candy.
Yeah, guys.
Well, look, so these girls that we just saw gave us candy. We were
Yeah.
giving them candy.
And they're giving us candy.
Oh my gosh, wait, I'm gonna tell these kids I'm more like, I'm gonna tell them only if they have, oh my God, there's too many of them.
Too many, oh
Okay,
my
hang on a
God.
sec, wait.
This is gonna be a rage.
Hang on.
Do a video with mask. But
Hang
not all
on,
of them.
guys, only with the people with masks, because I'm doing a YouTube video, alright? So if you have a mask, just put your mask down. Whoever doesn't have a mask, I don't want using the camera just for privacy and that, like, you know, in case I put your mask down.
Wait, what is that?
So, hang on.
The Island Family.
The Island Family.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. So you've got, put your mask down because of privacy. We don't want to show faces, all right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to go around quickly. Tell me who you are. Who are you?
I'm Rocco.
Okay, who are you? Connor. I mean, not your names, like who, like the characters.
Oh, he's dressing up.
Oh, clown. Okay.
Ah.
All right. Who are you?
I don't know.
And you? All of these
I'm like
clowns. Awesome. I'm so happy we got to get this on film. Yeah. Everyone got one?
Yeah.
You get, oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, see
You're
you.
welcome.
Bye. Don't forget to check out the Island Family.
That's so cool, yo.
Excited. This house has got like full of decorations.
Oh yeah. Everybody decorate their place with, you know? Well, not everybody, because you can tell probably not everyone is into it, but some people are.
Oh God, now we can't stop anyone else because they
Oh
all
my
got heaps of
God.
candy.
Yeah.
Oh God, they're all gonna get worms in their eyes.